Custom GPTs, the plain version. This is part 2 of our ChatGPT ecosystem series, and as always, this is an independent walkthrough. Last episode, we organized your work into projects. Now, we're turning a repeated task into a dedicated specialist. Consider how often you paste the same long setup into a fresh chat window. You're my editor, keep my tone, follow these rules, here's my style guide. We do this over and over just to get the AI started. We're going to look at the 3 habits, 1 number worth remembering, and the small conceptual shift that makes this tool work. A custom GPT is the solution to that setup fatigue. It is a version of ChatGPT you configure once and reuse forever. To build one, you go to Explore GPTs in the sidebar and select Create. The Configure tab contains the specific fields that define the tool: its name, instructions, knowledge, capabilities, and actions. You can fill these fields in manually, or you can describe what you want to the conversational builder and let it handle the configuration for you. Stripped of the technical labels, this process is about 2 actions: defining how the AI should behave and providing the reference material it needs to see. Habit 1 is to build for frequency. Don't make a GPT for a one-off question. Make it for a task you repeat, like a weekly update, a lesson plan, or a meeting recap. The instructions field is the most direct way to shape that repeated task. This is the system prompt. Here, you define the AI's specific role, the tone it should take, and the specific rules it must follow to get the job done correctly. This field is what separates a generic chat from a focused specialist. A few clear sentences here define the boundaries for every future interaction. Habit 2 is to provide the GPT with your own knowledge. Use the Knowledge section to upload your own documentation, like brand style guides, templates, or internal handbooks. This brings us to that key number, 20. You can upload up to 20 individual files to a single GPT. Each of those 20 files can be as large as half a gigabyte. Creating these custom specialists requires a Plus, Team, or Enterprise account, but using them is part of everyday ChatGPT for everyone. Grounding a GPT in these files reduces its reliance on the open web. It acts as an assistant that has already studied your specific folders before you send the first message. Habit 3 is a reminder that you don't have to build everything. You can shop the GPT Store. The store contains thousands of ready-made, verified GPTs that you can search for and use immediately for common workflows. If you do build your own, you can keep it private, share it with a direct link, or publish it to the store for others to find. The rule of thumb is to build for your unique personal workflows and use the community's proven tools for everything else. To make this stick, you need to see the small shift that connects this to the rest of the ChatGPT toolkit. A project is designed to organize a broad piece of work, like a product launch. A custom GPT is designed for a repeated microtask inside that work, like writing the social posts. When used together, the project holds the context for the whole campaign, while the custom GPT handles the recurring chores. This ends the copy-paste cycle. Instead of retyping your setup every morning, you simply open your GPT and start working. It already knows the requirements. Set it up once and reuse it forever. Plain Bureau explains AI tools in plain English. No jargon, no hype. This was episode 2 of our ChatGPT series. Next, we look at Canvas. Tell us which feature you want the plain version of next.